I wasn't able to propose my motion in full council today because sadly it got to 5 p.m. I was literally about to propose it, and we have a cut-off time of 5 p.m. However, I did propose it just formally, which is our code for without making a speech, and it was agreed across the council chamber, but I did want to just speak to it briefly to tell people why I was proposing this motion and what it involves. So I'm just going to read out my speech to you. I'm happy to propose this motion to full council today, calling for the council to engage with the initiative Safe Surgeries by Doctors of the World. In Edinburgh, we've got a proud tradition of being an international city, whether that be the flamboyant and transient nature of our festivals, or the breadth and diversity of our resident community, including our newest arrivals. And we often talk about immigration-related issues in our council meetings. So it's in this context, therefore, that I'm bringing this initiative to the council and building on the tradition that we have of welcoming migrants. Everyone in the UK, even if they don't have proof of ID or an address, has the right to free healthcare from a GP. GPs won't ask for papers, but many migrants won't know this, and if they have any concerns about their status, they may not feel able to access a GP. Safe Surgeries recognise that these barriers exist and offers to help GPs to make their access available to everyone who needs to use their services. This can be as simple as having a poster which says that everyone is eligible to see a doctor and reassuring patients that regardless of their immigration status, the clinic is a safe space for them. But it also recognises that services such as translation and training for staff might be needed in order to break down the barriers that people face when accessing GPs. Therefore, the motion that I've proposed is calling for us to continue our excellent partnership working with the Integration Joint Board and with the Health and Social Care Partnership. And it hopes to work with them collaboratively to increase access for migrants to primary health care. That's what I would have said if I had had just a moment longer in the council chamber. But thankfully, everybody did agree the motion, so it has passed, and the Integration Joint Board will now be looking at this on the council's recommendation. So I'm really pleased that we were able to promote the Safe Surgeries initiative by Doctors of the World today for Edinburgh.